All right, so today the Bank of Canada has made yet another interest rate announcement. This is going to be a quick video for the YouTube channel here, but what this means for you, if you are currently a variable rate mortgage holder, great news, you're going to be saving some more money every single month. It doesn't get better than saving some money with a little bit of help from the Bank of Canada. However, there's a lot of confusion out there. If you follow a lot of other real estate agents, you are going to see the, FOMO that you must buy now because things are going to get crazy. I don't necessarily think that that's the case at all. The real estate market right now is pretty stagnant. We're not getting a lot of showings on our properties. Homes are still taking a lot longer to sell than they have been for the past couple of years. Why the Bank of Canada did this jumbo rate cut, 50 basis points, is because they want to stimulate the real estate market and the economy. They're tied together. Canadian economy is heavily tied to the real estate market, and a lot of people's equity is what they have for their savings, and they want the homes to have stable home value. They don't want the house prices to drop all that much, which all makes sense. But by dropping it 50 basis points, they're hoping that maybe this stimulates the market just a little bit. But we're talking a little bit. We're not talking a lot here because there's been no action. Maybe we'll get some action in the real estate market. Don't get me wrong, there are some areas where homes are selling and they're selling for fantastic prices and they're selling over asking and they're selling quickly. But the majority of homes in the GTA are not. The majority of homes in the GTA are taking about 30 days on average to sell, which is completely fine. It's a very normal real estate market. So there's no reason to be concerned if you're a home seller. And there's not a lot of reason to be super excited if you're a home seller as well. If your home is currently on the market, I don't anticipate all of a sudden you're going to have 30 showings in the next week because we dropped 50 basis points. If you're a first-time home buyer, there's a lot of confusion. You are not all of a sudden gonna have more flexibility when it comes to buying your home. Right now, the Bank of Canada has lowered the rate, the policy rate, to 3.75%. You're still gonna qualify based on a 2% increase above that. So at 5.75 will be what you qualify for on the mortgage side of things. However, most people are only gonna qualify at whatever rate is lower because that is what makes the most sense. The fixed rates are still significantly lower. You can get a fixed rate between 4.5 to 4.75%. So this announcement does not affect you as a first-time home buyer because you are more than likely going to be going with a fixed rate mortgage. Whether you qualify for the variable, you may not even, but if you do qualify for the variable, okay, great. It's getting a little bit closer compared to that fixed rate. But ultimately, almost all of our clients today are going with that fixed rate because there's been a lot of people who have gotten burned in the last 2 to 3 years, myself included. This rate announcement helps me. I save a little bit more money, but when it comes to renewing my mortgage, the chances that I am going to take the risk with the variable again are quite low because I've been burned, and a lot of people are in that exact same mindset. So just understand what's happening when the Bank of Canada does make these adjustments. That being said, if you have any more questions, if you want to know what makes sense for you in your specific situation, you can always reach out to me. My number here is in one of these bottom 2 corners. You can shoot me a text message. You can give me a call. I'm happy to talk to you. I'm actually sitting here in the kitchen of our newest listing that just hit the market here in Brampton. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, semi-detached home. You can actually catch that home tour up in the right hand or left hand, one of these corners up top as well. If you're looking for a home in Brampton, I'd be happy to help you. We service everywhere from the GTA all the way to Waterloo. Thank you so much. This has been a quick update on what the Bank of Canada rate announcement really means for you and me. Have a great one. Bye for now.